Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Yu step by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. Yu means in, at, to. Also, this is a Chinese feminine name. For example, 由于 means because, due to. Check this sentence. Many people lost their jobs because of the economic depression. Many people lost their jobs because of the economic depression. 由于经济萧条，许多人失业了。由于经济 economic 萧条 depression 许多人 people 失业 lost jobs 了。由于经济萧条 because of the economic depression 经济萧条许多人失业 lost their jobs 了。由于经济萧条，许多人失业了。Now, follow me to write 鱼 in cursive. 鱼 However, here are some similar looking characters. Please pay attention to the differences. First one, 千 thousand. 干 or 干 于 in, at, to, family name. 由于 because, due to. Many people lost their jobs because of the economic depression. 由于经济萧条，许多人失业了。由于经济萧条，许多人失业了。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 于. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.